everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into something pretty cool, how you can use simple AI tools to automate your business. Let's jump right in. First, I want you to just picture this for a second. What if all those little, boring jobs in your business just happened on their own? What if your company could practically run itself, leaving you free to think about the big stuff? It sounds like something out of a movie, right? But it's actually closer than you think. And the secret sauce to making this happen is artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, don't let that name scare you off. The whole idea behind AI in business is to make your life and your work a whole lot easier. Seriously, it's not about replacing people, it's about giving them superpowers. So to really get why AI is such a game changer, let's talk about the problem it solves. Does your day ever feel like it's just filled with, busy work? You know what I mean, all the small stuff that just piles up and totally drains your energy. This might actually blow your mind, but some studies show that workers spend 40%, that's almost half of their week, on manual, repetitive tasks. Just think about all that time that could be spent on, actually growing the business. So, what is all this busy work? Well, it's stuff like answering the exact same customer question in an email for the 10th time that day. It's copying info from one place and pasting it into another, over and over again. Or that endless email chain just trying to schedule one simple meeting. Sound familiar? But here is the really good news. There is a helper for all of that. So let's meet the solution, your very own super smart robot helper. This is what we call AI automation. And really, the simplest way to think about it is like having a little robot living inside your computer that can understand instructions, handle different jobs, and even make simple decisions all by itself. It's built to get things done with very little help from you. Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, haven't we had automation for years? And you're totally right, but this is different. See, the old kind of automation was like a basic calculator. It could only follow super strict, simple rules. AI automation, though, is more like a smart assistant. It can actually analyze situations, learn from new information, and make smart decisions based on what's going on. So, what can this new helper actually do for your business? Let's take a look at some of its most powerful tricks. The benefits really create this awesome chain reaction. It all starts by saving you tons of time on those repetitive jobs. And when you save time, that naturally leads to lower costs. But on top of all that, because an AI doesn't get tired or bored, it makes way fewer mistakes, which means the quality of your work goes way up. And here's how this plays out across a whole company. Your sales team, they can use an AI helper to automatically find people who might want to become new customers. Your support team can have an AI that answers common questions 24/7, even while everyone's asleep. And your HR team can use it to automatically get new hires all set up on their very first day. And the list of its superpowers just keeps going. I mean, imagine it sorting through your messy inbox for you, handling all the invoices, scheduling your appointments, and even creating business reports from your data all on its own. Okay, this all sounds amazing, right? But how do you actually get started? It can feel like this huge, complicated journey, but I promise it doesn't have to be. Let's look at a simple little map for your AI adventure. You can get going in just 3 easy steps. First, just find one small, boring, repetitive task in your business. Just one. Second, pick a simple, easy-to-use AI tool that's made for that exact task. And third, just run a small test. Don't try to change your whole company overnight. Just see how it goes with that one little thing. And here, right here, is the absolute best part. For most of these tools, you do not need to know how to write a single line of computer code. These are called no-code AI tools, and they're built for regular business owners, not for tech wizards. Believe me, the world of no-code AI is just exploding right now. There are tools that let you build an entire app without being a programmer, create videos just by typing text, or set up little assistants that can answer emails and organize all your customer info for you. If you only remember one thing from all of this, let it be this: start small. Don't try to automate everything all at once. Just focus on quick AI wins, those simple little tasks that give you back time and build your confidence to do even more. And that's our quick look at automating your business with AI. If you found this helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. And definitely subscribe for more simple guides on big topics just like this one. We'll leave you with one last question to think about. After seeing how all this works, would you trust an AI to handle some of your business tasks? Let us know what you think down in the comments. Thanks for watching.